I think the biggest thing that surprised me was how knowledgeable probably the lecturers are, specifically with my course in broadcast journalism. These are people that have done it for however many years, and to give you that industry advice and industry experience that they've got themselves, and just to pass it on and just give you tips, massively helped. I came to university with a slight bit of experience in presenting and journalism, but never really touched the ethical element of it. And I managed to do that throughout university because I was given the advice and the examples to do it from lecturers. So that was probably the biggest thing, and probably just giving me that confidence to be able to take my work to the next level. And I was presenting on news days, I was doing my own radio show, I was filming somebody, I was being behind the camera, I was learning different technical elements. That for me was kind of the realisation that actually I was in the right place at the right time, and the kind of experience I'd had in the first 6 months had outweighed the experience I'd had ultimately my whole life. When I first went into the BBC on kind of my first day of work experience, the buildings are quite similar, so it doesn't feel like you're in a new environment, almost replicating industry work. That was key in journalism and on the course for me. The TV studios, the radio studios, the kind of classroom-based environments, they were very set out like a newsroom in journalism. So when I came to driving a radio desk working at the BBC, it almost came second nature because I'd done it at university for 2 years.